In this video, we will understand what is a Hlookup function and how can we use it in Microsoft Excel. So this is the sample data given to us, and in this we can see this is the data of marks of students in a class in maths and English. So two tests were taken of maths and English, and these are the marks of the same students, right? And now I want to bring the marks of English here. Now since our data is in horizontal form, we can't use VLOOKUP here. We have to use HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is like the brother of VLOOKUP function. The only thing it does different is it looks up horizontally rather than vertically. So in a VLOOKUP, if the data is in this form, right, then you can use the VLOOKUP function to bring the data. So if the data is in horizontal form, we'll use HLOOKUP function to look up the values. So we'll insert the formula, press equal to, type HLOOKUP, and Excel will start suggesting the HLOOKUP function. Just double click it and it says, what do you want to look up? We want to look up Rajiv. Okay, then table array. What is the range from where you want to look up? I want to look up from this data, right? Then which row you want to look up? I want to look up second row because I want the data from the second row here. Then range lookup, if exact match, then only give to me, so it is 0, or you can use the false or true values. As soon as I enter, I get the value 89. Now I can copy and paste the formula and I get the value for Vikas as well. Vikas, where is Vikas? Vikas is here, 57, 57. Okay, let me check the range in the formula by pressing the F2. As soon as I press F2 on the formula, it shows you what the formula is doing. It is looking up Rajiv from this range. Let me check it here. It is looking up Vikas, but it is not telling you the range correctly, because as soon as we copy the formula from 89 from D column to E column, it shifts the whole formula to the right. So the range is already also shifted, but we didn't want range to be shifted. So what we'll do is we'll go back here and freeze the range. For freezing, you have to put the $sign. Shortcut is F4, or you can manually type F4, or you can manually type $. Now if I copy it and paste it, use Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and if I check the range again anywhere, it will show you the same range. My range is not moving now, right? So my results are coming accurately. So what is the problem if I don't move the range? So let me first remove the $, and show it again to you. If I copy this and paste this, in many of the places I get an error. Why do I get an error? So it is looking up Dev in this data only, but Dev is here, so it is not included in range. So the formula is telling me that Dev is not there. So that is the problem which happens if I don't freeze the range. So I have to freeze it. This formula is exactly, as I told you earlier, this formula is exactly like VLOOKUP, just the difference is the VLOOKUP is vertical and HLOOKUP is horizontal. If I copy it and paste it, it will be okay.